kind of guy do you want?
Enobanga unyabulungi kyekisooka ate si mumpi.
Why do you hate short men? You told.
What if he wants to kiss me and he's short? Hi,
How are you?
Very good.
We at Kampala
Kids Festival?
Kids Festival.
Yeah.
So how do you feel about performing for this young generation?
I really felt really good because I love kids because very soon I'm going to be a mother.
Very soon. When you say very soon, meaning you're getting engaged very soon.
Like years to come.
Years to come. How many years are we talking about?
Like 3?
3 from now.
I think when I get a perfect man.
A perfect man. You don't yet have a perfect man.
I'm still studying.
Studying
them.
Men books.
Yeah, you know, basoma no so much abonokizeri cause banja ulobayaye abambalimba, so I'm still waiting, but I love kids by the way so much.
Okay.
Yeah.
What kind of guy do you want? The qualities.
Enobanga unyabulungi kyekisooka kyokubira enobamu ne ssente ate si mumpi.
Why do you hate short men?
Because I'm tall. How can I date a short man? And
who said you're tall?
What if he wants to kiss me and he's short?
Yeah. And who said you're tall? So Joey, tonight we've been all the day we've been celebrating with our kids. They have been here. You performed for them. How did you feel?
Very good because they were singing all my songs. Like, I was really happy. Yeah, because sometimes oboloza abana abatenyimba tebaziwulira ne balaba nnyo TV. Yeah.
So you're impressed with what you said?
Very, very.
Very impressed. Yeah. So do we see you doing a kid's song? Or partnering with Amot? Would you collaborate with Amot?
Yeah, of course, if my management allows. Yeah. As
in yourself, would you do a collab with Amot?
I would. He's a very good artist. He's good. Yep.
The message to the parents?
Please keep your kids in school. Make sure they read books. TV, by the way. They should be reading. We should advise them. And if a kid has a talent, we should let them put it out there. Yeah.
You talked about you need a man if you to get engaged or get married, a man who should be smelling nice.
Yeah, you have
what do you mean by that?
Nice. You know, bango unya bulungi. Ngo kuba ziri perfume. Ne obato okwanyo perfume naye ngo unya bulungi. Omuntu awunya bulungi akuleetera okubanga omwagala nnyo.
Okay.
Yep.
So those are your qualities.
Kunya bulungi ne money. Actually, even you're supposed to be cute.
How do cute men look like?
Musajja alayiko obulungi obw'omulaba. Si buno obulungi bwa ssente. Nobanga oli well shaped bulungi.
In the industry, as we talk right now, basajja kibogamba mbuna oyali cute.
Zuri terms.
Okay.
Yeah. How are you?
Would you get married to Zuri terms? Would you get married to Zuri terms?
If ongamba mbuza kibuzo kirala ate ombuuza ekirala, but gwe ndabanga musajja wakabi alinga gwe nninza mu industry.
Okay, then Palaso?
Palaso is my mentor. Naye abantu bonna balina okuworking out ne banga ye mula musajja muwanvu, alina ekiwago, alina confidence, awunya bulungi.
Are you giving him a plus because yakuleta mu industry?
No, ebyadala Palaso ye wakabi. Yeah.
Should we assume?
That what? I'm very young. I can't date him.
How old are you?
19. The baby. Baby could baby.
Hey, what's up?
You good?
I'm good.
Yes, we've seen you performing at a Kids Fest.
Yeah, I feel good.
What does it mean performing for kids?
Kusaidi yange, right? Okay. Omanyi siri muzungu. Yeah, I feel good actually, and kyakabi nnyo okuperformingira ku baana abato bamanye nti like tuli bayimbi ate nabo in case nga waliwo omuyimbi mu bo. Yes, okufuuka omuyimbi kibeere kyakulabirako. Yeah, man.
I saw some of the kids performing, like singing along with your songs. How did you feel?
Oh my God. I don't know. Actually, I was happy. Extremely happy. And Bebale.
Do you have any kid?
I'm planning to do it.
When are you planning?
No, I'm planning to get a kid, but I'll think about it later. Not now.
Why wouldn't you, Jowy Landa and Vamos, mwekolemu omulimu one of yours alimu munne?
No, actually we are mingle.
Aye, vamos. Vamos, achali baby.
Vamos, how old are you?
You're 19, I'm 22.
I want someone who's like 5 years older than me. Oh, like 6.
6. 24. You said 22.
You have
I'm
experience.
22.
Nina
19.
experience. Nina experience.
What kind of experience do you have?
Moboze yaje man.
Thank you guys.
Okay.
Hi parents, how are you?
I'm alright.
Did you come with your kids?
Yeah, I did.
So how do you feel bringing our kids to such events?
Just wanted to make them happy. Yeah. So that they can go back to school when they're.
Is it happy? Okay, so
Yes, they're happy.
they're happy.
Yeah.
Who of you like said let's take the kids?
Him.
Him.
Yeah.
Who is the mother? How come it's the father this time?
Nanta was busy, so he was like, we have to go. Yeah.
Okay, well, enjoy your night. Where are the kids?
There.
Boss, how are you? Did you enjoy? How are you?
Fine.
You're fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Did you enjoy?
Yes.
What did you enjoy most?
Jumping.
Jumping. Okay. How are you? Did you jump also?
No.
Why?
Photo moment. You are with the mother. First May.
Okay, yes, how are you?
Okay, how are you?
The name?
My name is Lawrence Ogwa.
Okay, and you are?
And I am?
You are the...
I'm the organizer Kampala Kids Festival under my company 19 Media Limited.
Okay, so tonight we've seen our kids come here, we've seen parents. What does it mean to put up such a concert and parents come up with
We've seen parents going for blankets and wine alone. They go for research alone. Then they go for all-night events at home. But once in a while, if you get a chance, because a platform is here, go out and have fun with your child. It means a lot for them. As a parent, you feel happy enjoying your money on a weekend with your children or your child by your side.
the selection of artists who are here, we've seen Crystal Panda, we've seen Vamos, we've seen Jowy Landa. What was the selection all about?
You know, when we see that trend, kids actually know music of old people. Kids don't know music of their fellow young people.
Of all the artists who was young here.
The artists are old, and like you saw, the kids were enjoying and singing along to their songs. But a kid would not want to sing fresh kids' song because they feel like now they're playing with their fellow young kids, but they are mature in their mind. So they will sing words like Konko na Nkolabeko. Yeah.
So when do we have this organized stories? Is this once a year? Are we seeing it like twice a year?
We always do in May, but some people say they also want it in December. So we shall look at having it twice in a year. But for now, we're only doing once in a year.
Okay. Are we still maintaining the venue?
Yeah, we're going to maintain the venue properly. Yeah, it's wide enough. Kids have space to enjoy bouncing castle and what. And it's sure.
The venue is called
Uganda Museum.
Ghana Museum. This will be our home.
Yeah, this will be our home.
Okay. Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you so much.